Hello everyone! Today we have a very useful video. If you recently got a new phone, or if you simply haven't checked your settings in a while, your default phone app might be secretly tracking your location, accessing your camera, and leaving you vulnerable to spam calls. I will show you exactly how to lock down your phone permissions to protect your privacy and automatically block those annoying scam calls. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's main settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Apps or Applications menu, then look for the option to view all apps. Use the search bar at the top to type in the word Phone and tap on your default phone or dialer app from the list. Next, tap on Permissions to see exactly what access this app has. This step is crucial because the basic phone app often grants itself access to your camera, GPS location, and files by default. Your phone app only needs access to your microphone, contacts, and SMS to function perfectly. You should absolutely toggle off the permissions for location, camera, and nearby devices to stop unnecessary background tracking. Now open your phone's dialer app as if you were going to make a regular call. Type in exactly *#21# on the keypad and press the call button. A small window will pop up showing your call forwarding status. If you see any unfamiliar phone numbers listed next to voice or data, it means your calls are secretly being forwarded or tapped. If you do see a strange number, simply close that menu, dial #002# and press call to instantly erase all active call forwarding on your device. Finally, open your dialer app again and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for an option labeled Caller ID and Spam or Spam Protection. Simply toggle on both switches to identify business and spam numbers and filter spam calls. By turning this on, your phone will automatically use Google's database to identify scam numbers and block them before they can even make your phone ring, protecting you from malicious AI voice recording tricks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.